G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy. I'm back with another one, man. Let's start the video, man. But I had to bring y'all back down here to the Hellcat, man, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. I woke up this morning, man, and it felt like a bad dream. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. I just got my Hellcat back, and then bam, look at that. Ooh, that is terrible, man. But you know, hey, man, the grind don't stop no matter what happens, man. You keep pushing, you keep being positive, you keep grinding, man. Like my dog Nipsey also say, man, the marathon must continue. The marathon must go on, man. The grind don't stop. You got to get to it, man. So, hey, without further ado, man, get the Hellcat. Now let's get it going. Oh, you know what? I forgot to lock my doors. Here this joy, look. Come on, man. What the hell? The Hellcat, man. Damn. Let me show y'all something, man. It ain't like I need to hit the thing, the button or whatever, but let's just do it for shits and giggles. Open the door. Man, that thing look crazy, right? And pop the hood. Let's see if we can even get the hood to open on this joint, man. Oh, we got the hood to open. So I mean, it don't look like carbon fiber was scratched up a little bit right there. You know what I mean? Yeah, looks a little weird type, you know. But I mean, the radiator is pretty pushed back. But other than that, I mean, I don't know. I can't tell, man. But look at the radiator, yo. That thing looks crazy, right? Shut the hood, man, and yeah, it's just bent. But the hood is shut. You can definitely tell the hood was bent though, because look at it and then come over here. I mean, you can see it obviously raised up right there, so it's definitely bent. And then one thing I noticed, obviously y'all can see like the dent right here in that fender, right? And you look right here, same thing. You see how it's kind of lifted off the body of the car. So I mean, man, that's nuts, man. People can't drive, boy. Look at this, man. It's crazy, man. It's just a car at the end of the day, but sheesh. Now, like I said, it's unfortunate to see the Hellcat like this, man, you know, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? Just got it back, you know, but it's funny because I was telling my brother, like, this is how you know this is God's plan, man, because if it wasn't God's plan, it wouldn't have went down like that, you know? So some goods will come from this, I don't know what, you know, but you just gotta trust the process, man, and believe in the process, man, and believe in yourself and the steps that you're taking to better yourself and everything that you've been doing. So as long as you've been putting the right energy out into the world, well, we got that. That's a G-Wagon, like it's just normal. Look at that joy. But like I said, as long as you put the right energy out into the world, you're gonna get it back. You can't worry about nothing else. As long as you're doing your part, God gonna do his part. Look at the Ferrari. Oh, look at the Dodge Viper ACR. And over here, you got a BMW i8. And over here, you got a McLaren 650, I believe it is. So, and on top of it, you got an Audi R8 over there, you got a Rolls Royce. Long story short, man, I'm blessed. You know what I'm saying? And even though these ain't my cars, you know, they still live where I live. So it lets you know I'm doing something right in life, you know. So even though that's not necessarily going the way I want to, I got so many other great things going on in my life that are phenomenal, man, that do bring me happiness and all that other stuff. And this brings me happiness too, because I can see the positive even in the most negative situations, man. You just gotta take it with a grain of salt, man. It's bittersweet. But either way it goes, you just gotta trust the process, man. And that's what I'm out here doing. I'm leading by example when I'm telling y'all this. It's easy to go upstairs, sit in my nice apartment, and be like, damn, I'm type depressed because I ain't got no car. I understand. My truck isn't here. So I got a damn Hellcat that's all crashed up, so how do I get around while the insurance people are trying to figure out everything they gotta figure out? Well, I gotta go spend more money, gotta get a rental car. These are all leaps of faith and things that just wasn't part of the plan of me coming out here, you know? But you just gotta take it in stride, man. You just gotta keep on going and keep on growing, man. That's the only way you're gonna keep on growing. So anyway, man, without further ado, just wanna tell y'all that, man, I gotta go run some errands, man. I'll see y'all in a little bit, baby. So now I'm out here moving and grooving. My mama, we see a chow chow. That's a chow chow, I like it. Legendary breed, my mom had one of those. My mom said she had one of those when you were a kid, did you say, Mom?
My mom had one.
Oh, little cha-cha, little cha-cha. But anyway, man, gonna take my mom to get something to eat, see her still a little bit. We in front of the Staples Center right across the street from where I live, man. Moving and grooving, man. You know, just got the phone with the insurance people, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated in the loop with everything that's happening, man. Just make sure y'all stay tuned in the loop by subscribing to my channel, clicking that bell, turning on post notifications, not skipping the ads, baby. Ooh wee, please don't skip the ads. Big chapter 7. Y'all see everything that's happening and taking place in such a short amount of time? Woo, man, stay tuned, baby. I never checked this out right here. This is my first time actually seeing this. This is the statues that they made, Ma. Yeah, Shaq right there, I think, anyway. And then, yeah, you got Jerry West. This is the NBA logo right here, Ma. That's probably the best one, is the one with Shaq right there, right?
That thing fell, it was trouble.
Oh yeah, you gonna die in that thing, Paul. That thing big heavy. I'm pretty sure they definitely thought about that, Ma. Give it some extra, like, you know, precautions and stuff like that. Oscar De La Hoya. DJ would have liked to see this. DJ's gonna be the next one they make a statue of. He gonna be out there. What you say, Ma? I know, he wanted to see Oscar De La Hoya. He likes him too. And then you got Magic Irving Johnson right there, mama. Ain't that crazy? Or Irving Magic Johnson, however you want to say it. We got the Skyhook man right here himself, man. You don't know who that is, mama?
Who is it?
You can't tell from the goggles?
What's his name?
You can't remember? Kareem?
Abdul-Jabbar.
There you go. Good job, mama. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Then you got the McLaren S720S right there.
Oh,
That thing look, you said what, Bob?
Oh, little.
Yeah, it is. It is pretty little, but look how legendary that thing looks though, Bob. Yeah, that's a bag. He was going crazy too. Look, that thing is nasty. My mom just asked me, is that Shaquille O'Neal's restaurant? I would think so, Ma. Why would they have Shaquille's in LA and not be Shaquille's, right? And you know Shaquille's just opened up a place in Texas too. What's that, Seafood? You wanna go to Seafood? Come on, we can go there. They got a Grammys. My mom noticed this right here too, as we're walking around here downtown LA, that just like the Walk of Fame, they got a Grammys kind of like Walk of Fame kind of thing. And I thought that was pretty cool. My mom love her music. We got a lot of legendary people that came out of Minnesota that made good music too. Iconic, like Bob Dylan and all them. Prince. Yeah, it goes a long way. Who's on this one, Ma?
Jam, Cherry Lewis.
Yeah, we got a lot of people on here. That's pretty dope. And then they're like kind of just scattered all around the walkway.
Getting up at my age, it's 61. Got about 7 more to go.
Yeah, there's a lot of people on these things. I definitely don't know them. Just being all the way honest with y'all, man. But yeah, like I don't think I know anybody on here. Yeah, I don't know who that is, Mama.
You know who that is?
No.
From Wizard of Oz. Dorothy.
Oh, okay. That's her name, huh?
Judy Garland. Yeah.
Didn't know that. Talk to him, champ.
Talk to us. What's up?
Shout out to anything you want to shout out.
I'm on Instagram, Nate Patterson 101.
Okay. You want to shout him out, my man?
Represent Indianapolis in the house, Avon. God bless.
Absolutely. HBCU, man. I rock with that heavily, man. 100%, man.
All right.
Definitely rock with the HBCUs.
All right.
Y'all want to say something? You want to say something, sweetheart? You sure? Okay. What about you, Miss Lady? Y'all good?
We good.
Well, y'all have a good one, all right?
Yeah, God
I
bless.
appreciate
God
you.
bless.
So now we are getting something to eat with my mama. She got the big legendary merch on. You got a martini. I like the merch, mama.
Made it my own.
Yeah, you made it a V-Deck because I don't sell V-Decks, ma.
I know.
Maybe I should just for you though, Bob. Me and my mom was just sitting here thinking about the dash cam footage and how I could have had that dash cam footage. Like if I'd had the dash cam installed in my Hellcat, I told myself I was gonna do it after the whole Phoenix arrest, you know, but then I got out of jail, all that stuff, and you know, life happened. I just kept going. I was procrastinating about it because, you know, putting out videos every single day, it's kind of hard to focus on the details of all the small stuff. You know, you just try to take care of the big stuff every single day. And once you get past the big stuff is so exhausting that it's hard to kind of pay attention to the small things. You're like, oh, well, I got the big things done today. Woo! Like, I'm just gonna keep my feet up and chill, right, Bob? It's very true. So, I mean, now it's just like, I'm kind of more mad at myself that I didn't have that dash cam installed in my Hellcat, because if I had the dash cam installed in my Hellcat, I could have went back and used that video footage, you know, to show y'all exactly what happened all the way leading up until the accident, and it would have made it, and for the insurance and for everything else. My mom's 100% right. So I mean, it's unfortunate. Thanks, my man. But yeah. So I mean, you know, now I don't really look at nothing like a loss because everything is a learning experience. You know what I mean? The good thing is you know, you got the insurance, you know, all that stuff. Thanks, my man. Appreciate it. Long story short, man. Stop procrastinating. Don't be bullshit, man. Whatever you want to get done, just get it done. Don't be out there finagling, man. Procrastination is a big-time dream killer, and procrastination will stop you from taking care of a lot of business that you should definitely just take care of. Just get it out of the way first and foremost, right then and there. And I should have got the dash cam footage or the dash cams put in my Hellcat as soon as that Phoenix arrest happened. Right after I got jail, I should have got that. And I told myself I was going to, but like I said, life kind of just happened. I'm always moving and grooving. The grind don't stop, you know, but that's no excuse, man. You got to get these kind of things done for these specific kind of reasons. But better believe, if my Hellcat is able to be repaired and ain't no frame damage and structural damage and all that stuff, I'm definitely getting dash cam footage instantly. That's gonna be the next video right after that, getting dash cams installed in the front, rear, and sides of the Hellcat, right, Mom? Something I gotta do for sure. So without further ado, our crab cakes are here. My mom's crab cakes are here. My mom's chilling on vacay. All right, say bye to her, mama.
Bye.
We're out of here, man. Time to enjoy these crab cakes, baby. There goes my Lamborghini Aventador. Y'all look at that thing. Oh, he's turning in. Oh, that's crazy. Got the Lamborghini Aventador right there, boy. Look at that thing. That thing is nasty. I'm gonna get that joint right there, man. Look at it. Ooh wee. Imagine that's pulling up, man. I'm gonna have that joint, no question about it. Look at that pull up. That thing is insane. It's gonna be in my garage, in my arsenal real soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Look at the door go up on that thing. Ooh wee. I got to have that. Look at the doors go up, like, come on, man, like it's just normal. Mom, I'm gonna buy that car, Mom.
It's an Uber.
It's an Uber? No way. That's crazy. I'm definitely gonna buy that car, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Mom, I'm telling you right now, I'm definitely getting that car.
What is it?
It's a Lamborghini Aventador. That's my dream car, like the ultimate. That's the one, Ma. I got to have that. Come on, man, look at the doors going in and watch. That thing crazy. Or maybe he's just bringing it to him or something like that. That thing is insane for sure. Look at that back end on it. You know he pull out of here and go crazy with it too, man. I got somebody all in my films. Look at them tail lights, man. Jet plane status, Mom. Tell you I'm gonna get that car. Watch what I tell y'all. G Squad, y'all heard it here first. I said it a million times while he's trying to catch him. Look. As you can see, my mom is in the car. This is the car I got, you know what I mean? This is the rental right now, man. You know, just giving a little inspection, make sure everything's all the way kosher and up to par. You know, y'all gonna be with me as I do this examination, man. So we got video footage of this, man. You know, front look good. It's a hybrid Ford Fusion, 2018 too, I believe. So if y'all want me to do a review on it, comment below and let me know, baby. You know, my brother actually owns this car too. Fresh Boy Kev. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel ASAP. But yeah, I mean, all in all, I think pretty cool, pretty fair looking. I think everything is all the way kosher. Nothing looks out of place. Does everything look good in there, Mom? Why you get scared? We are in LA, man. You gotta be on the B's and Q's. But no, man, this is definitely it, man. And everything is looking cool. So, you know, I gotta take some pictures. We're gonna get on the inside, show y'all that. I just wanna make sure, you know, everything's kosher. Let me just see why I'm here with y'all. Everything look okay in here, Mom? Like nothing's out of whack?
It looks clean as it.
You like this?
Of course, your brother has one.
I just said that. Fresh Boy Kev. Go subscribe and follow him on Instagram, Retro Kev. It's floating up there on the screen, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and give him a follow on the Instagram and everything like that. We are back at my place, man. You see the Hellcat with the Ford Fusion thing parked right next to it, man. Went did a lot more grocery shopping, did some more stuff. You know, you see the little recycling bin and all that. Got some little power tools, which you see in my mom's hand. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Spent a nice little hefty bag up in that joint too. Y'all want to see the Hellcat one more time? You ever seen a dead body? You ever seen that movie? Huh? Have you ever seen a dead body? Let me show y'all one. That's what it looked like. As y'all can see, man, I got the laptop up. My mama's right there. She's got her wine. How you feeling, Mama? Okay. And she's just chilling, got some candles lit. My mama's just big time chilling, man. Look at that, y'all. Nighttime beauty, right? Look at the sky. Look at the buildings, look at everything, man. Big time blessing. Let me just go out here and open the door like so. You can hear them honking that thing out here in LA, boy. They be letting that horn go, don't they? Look at that, man. Can't tell me I ain't blessed, no matter what's going on in my life. Gotta count the good, not the bad, man. Y'all should be doing the same, man. That's all that matters on the balcony, man. With the feets out. Big time blessings, man. But anyway, man, let's go in here. I'm gonna sit down, chop it up with my mama. This is the end of the video, Mama. Tell them bye. About to have a little chill time, my mama, man. It's big time chilly, a little bit definitely up here, Mama, in these altitudes, you know what I mean? If you like this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that bell button, turn on post notifications. Either way it goes, I appreciate you for watching this video and any other future videos you may watch, or even if you go back and watch all my old videos, man. All the support is greatly appreciated, right, Mama? Mm-hmm. It goes a long way, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can give them a little more than a
Yes.
Mama.
My wine.
She just enjoyed her time. She like, leave me alone, man. But anyway, tall guy. See you on the next one, baby.